It's a tight-knit community that was decimated by Hurricane Ian, but they never wavered in their recovery. Gulf Coast News reporter Kyle Schmidt is on Sanibel with how this community stuck together through one of the worst events in our area's history.
The hurricane destroyed our buildings, we might say, but it didn't destroy our spirit.
It was this building here that lost its roof during Hurricane Ian, which led to an immense amount of water damage.
We heard it was about 24 inches of rain. One of my neighbors on the first floor claims that he had seawater in his bathtub.
The so-called hurricane-proof building couldn't withstand Ian's winds, but the Sand Dollar owners decided they wouldn't let the storm win. After assessing the damage, they formed groups, each with its own strength and experience.
We had lawyers that had some experience. We had the person who builds homes in Montana guiding us. We had people that were accountants.
Sand Dollar Condos Board of Director President Stephen Olmsted tells me each committee met once every 2 weeks. Owners decided to pay for the rebuild themselves, which made things move even faster.
Special assessment that we voted on, and everybody made a significant six-figure payment to fund the rebuild and get it going.
Through patience and perseverance, the Sand Dollar condos were rebuilt and now have been up and running for almost a year. Reporting in Sanibel, Kyle Schmidt, Gulf Coast News.
Oh, that's so good to see. You know, it's been a rough go for a lot of people on the barrier island.
Absolutely.